Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix KB5079473 installation errors on Windows 11, like 0x800f0922 or 0x80240069. First, open Windows Settings, Windows Update. Click Pause Updates. Then click Resume Updates. Next, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find App Readiness, double-click. Set it to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start. Then OK, then right-click and Restart. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Windows Update. If it's still not working, search for command prompts in the Windows search bar. Open it as an administrator. Run the commands from the video description. Run each command one by one. Then restart your computer. Still no luck? Go to Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB5079473, check your Windows version, WinVer, and system type. Then download the correct update manually. Install it and restart. If it's still failing, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery. Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current Windows version while keeping your files and apps. Finally, use the Media Creation tool from Microsoft. Download it, choose Windows 11 ISO, save to desktop, then run the setup. Make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is checked before hitting Install. After installation, restart and update Windows. One of these steps should fix the update issue. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.